for a little bit. Okay, where is this? This is right here. You know what? I give up. I don't want to try this hard for him. If I find him, I find him. And I'll figure shit out, but I don't really want to waste my time. Here, do you guys want random crap? Have fun. Chicken. Chicken's anywhere. Chicken. We, like, are almost halfway there to getting that ranch thing. Okay, we got 8. Alright. How is it looking in here? You're fucking pathetic. What am I doing wrong? Hold on. I'm not doing anything wrong. This is just taking decades, apparently. Okay, well, eat up, I guess. Right, I kind of feel like I should just do it. Open that door. I feel like I should just do it. I'm scared to. But I don't know. I don't know if I should just wait. Oh my god. But I kind of want to open pods. The pods like around the map. I just don't know how to. Do we do it? Oh, I'm scared. Cause like we have 12 here. We got like feel like it's enough. But these guys don't eat much. You know what? We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. I know that that one spot had a place where I can teleport to the ruins. I just need to find where it is. Where are you? Is this you? No, you're not what I'm looking for here. I know it's somewhere. Because I remember seeing like the house thing, so it has to be somewhere. I just have no clue where. Is it behind here? Oh, I never realized that. That's so cute. Like, where is it? It has to be like over here, right? It has to be. There is something I'm not seeing, and I know it's in there. I know it is. Guaranteed. Okay, now I feel like we should focus on getting money, because I feel like it's in there. And we just need to get to it. we're so close. We are so close. Okay. New quest. I'm taking you. Please be good. Okay, I can do that. I can easily do that. See, I like it when I have access to everything. I don't remember how many he wanted, but it is what's gonna be. This like he wanted? No, that's not what he wanted. He wanted this. I hear something. What is it? Oh. Okay. I don't really know where to put these veggies. I don't know if you want these. They're gonna probably die anyways, but have them. I'm surprised that these chickens are not gone yet. Casey. What does Casey have to say? What does Casey have to say? Powerhouse? What does that mean? Achievement. Port? Powerhouse. Okay. Alright. Mail. 2 of them, actually. See there, you see? Pick a name I like. Your style. Let me cut right to the chase. I'd like to offer you a job doing a little side work for me. I've got a chunk of land on the outskirts of my property that has access to a place called the Wilds. A land of primitive, feral slimes and dangerous as all get out, but also home to delicious rare fruit that I love. You're up for a challenge? Come on down to the little Virginia mine near the Wilds and learn more. I found. Is this just like fake? The van. Haha. It wasn't that bad. You just don't have the fortitude to make it as an artist. I guess Beatrix Lebeau can climb a mountain before breakfast, but can't spend a few days in a modestly accommodated, breaks down only half the time. Vintage touring van. You were so miserable. I still laugh about it. But I really did appreciate it for those few days. It was great to have you in the crowd. The van still runs by. Casey. That was a lie. The van literally caught on fire while we were driving it. It died like the what? It died like a Viking. Okay, there. Offered you a job working near the overgrown. Enter the teleporter near the overgrown. Where? Where's the overgrown? What's the overgrown? Overgrown. Overgrown. Slime rancher. Where's that? Bro. Okay, this is probably the overgrown, not gonna lie. I feel like that's what it is. No, this should be right. Oh. Oh, it's telling me where to go. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? What? Where am I? Oh my god. Yo. Oh. Oh. What's the point? What was the point of that? So this place, year ago, a little vacation spot. Later, I realized that the neighborhood is closer. Survival guide to the wilds. Is it that dangerous out here? Is that a fucking devil fruit? What? Okay, what did he just give me though? Where do I get that? Bro, I can't even get out. Oh, I need to go in here. What the fuck? I don't fuck with that. I don't fuck with that. Yo, fuck no. Get out of here. Feral slimes. Yeah, I'm not fucking with that. Yo, I need water to spray them. They need something. I'm stuck in here. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm not trying to lose my mind here. Oh shit. And I'm dying. What? Yeah, well, I just lost all my shit, dude. What? Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Okay. So I need to get shit. Really. Where the fuck am I now? Okay, well, I got a devil fruit. I don't care what the name is. That's what I'm calling it. You. Okay. That was... Oh! Okay, they're all freaking angry. Eat and be happy. Fuck. It's not that hard. Okay, dude. Get out of here. Get out of here. Stop being fucking miserable. What is this? Get the fuck away from me, buddy. No. No! Get out of here. Fuck. I don't even know where I'm going. Yeah, go into the water. And it gets worse. And it gets worse. What's this? Okay, yo, I'm gonna die. Get away from me. Get away from me. Is this like a drug? Is that what it is? Why are they so aggressive? Okay, can you like be happy for once in your life? Bro? Where do I go? Like... How do I get home? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna wander. So I seem to be doing fine. Who's this? Even this is closed. Like, what do I do? How do I get home? How do I get out of here specifically? Because I've never seen this in my life. He trapped us. The bastard. He did this on purpose. No. Get the fuck away from me. That's where the teleporter is. I see you. Okay, what do I do? Okay, buddy. Fuck out of here. Oh, yes. Okay, perfect. What? Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? I severely dislike you. I really don't like you. Why would you do that to me? Oh, so it teleports me different places. Yeah, I really freaking love that. Fuck. Like, look at that. They want to freaking eat me. They're not happy with me whatsoever. Don't touch me. I'm not feeling it. I don't want to get touched, please. Fuck! Okay. Yeah, we get it, you're grumpy. Alright. Yo, where can I, like, relax for a quick second? Jesus Christ. Dude. Just stop. Yo. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Where are they? Now I'm back here. They're still angry after eating. Bro, if I was eating, I'd be freaking happy. Not miserable. Oh, man. Dude, 75. That guy wants 75. Freaking. Yeah, he's real funny. Wanting freaking 75. Got a long way to go. Messing with these guys, Jesus. There's none. Okay, there's one. There's like a single one. And that's about it over here. Okay, got like 5. And how many grow? Like 0. Get away from me, I'm not feeling it. Oh shit. There, I already almost died. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm not feeling it. You're being way too touchy with me. I'm not feeling it. Okay, no. Get out. Get away. Get away. I'm just trying to find some stuff. Oh shit. Okay. Look. Eat this. Eat this. Like anything other than me. Haven't been here yet. Are you kidding? Tar 2? Oh my god, okay. Yo, no, Casey, this is not the time to be freaking trying to message me right now. This is not the time. I'm not... Okay, I'm kind of safe here a little bit. I'm not in a good place to be messaging you. I don't want to be here. Do you think I can keep this for my own? What is this? What? I'm keeping that. Yeah, I'm keeping that. Let's hope I don't die because I really want it. I don't know where I need to go. Okay. Well, here we got 12, 13, 14. Do you think I could take one home? What even are they? Oh, what is this? Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Spicy tofu. Interesting. What do I do with spicy tofu? What am I gonna do with that? Like hello. What do I do? I don't know where to go. What to do? Like, what do you want me to do with that? I can't even go over here. Alright, teleport somewhere again. Let's see. Okay. Get out of my way. And hell. Well, you're happy, aren't you, eh? No, I'm going in the water. Tar? Of course it is. Oh, there has to be a fruit somewhere. I only have one. Come on, we can do better than that. We can do way better than that. Fly somewhere. Is this? I have no clue where to go, dude. I'm gonna have to go back. Alright, let's go back home. Oh. Well, ain't I lucky? There's one over here, too. Oh, never mind, I was just seeing things. that? I did not know I could do that.